Hi, in this video, I will be showing you a faster method to factor than decomposition. Definitely, it will save you time when you start doing a lot of factoring in the future. Instead of doing decomposition, you could use this method. And as we know, decomposition, we only use it when we have a coefficient, right? And that by the x squared here, the coefficient of the x squared that you cannot take out as a greatest common factor. That's when we have to use decomposition, or the method that I'm going to show you that's a lot faster. Okay, so I'm just going to take you back to this. You know, you don't have a coefficient here. It's very simple to factor. So you open two set of brackets. You put an x in each. And then you're just looking for two numbers that multiply to give you a -10 and add to give you -3. These two numbers will be -5 times 2 will give you -10. And then when you add -5 plus 2 will give you -3. So these are your numbers, and you just stick them right into there, -5 and +2, and that's factored. Here, to do this, the first thing you need to do is just multiply the 5. So the beginning, the coefficient of x squared into the constant right here, and that will multiply to give you -25. So what you could do, you change this to x squared plus 24 x minus 25. So what multiplies to give you -25? That's there. But when you do this, just keep in mind that 5 there. So that 5 right here. So keep in mind this 5, because this 5 right here, we need it once we finish factoring this. We need to bring this 5 back into the equation again. That's factored. So now when you look at this, the factoring of this is simple. It's the same method that we use in here. And it's two numbers that multiply to give me -25 and add to give me 24. So you stick an x here, an x there. The two numbers that multiply to give me -25 and add to give me 24 is 25 and -1. 25 times -1 give me -25. 25 minus 1 give me +24. So therefore it's +25 minus 1. But it doesn't stop here though. See this 5 that I said, keep that in mind. Now you take this 5 here and divide both of these numbers by the 5. This will divide and will give you x plus 5. But this one doesn't divide. So what we ask you to do, just stick that 5 in front of the x right there, and just leave the 1 by itself. So all you need to do is just do a little thing and stick the 5 right in front of the x. And that's how you factor, just a lot faster than doing decomposition. Even though you still have to learn decomposition, but this method here will save you a lot of time writing tests in the future. Okay. As always, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.